Good morning. So we get this up and running. It is Tuesday. I wanted to say Wednesday. It's Tuesday, June 6th. I'm going to get on TikTok here in a minute. Gold is in a long. NQ is in a long. YM is in a long. So we'll see. Let me share this in the group. Slack is not part of this tab. No, thank you. All right. Gold is in this long for $70. We can keep an eye on that. Gold overnight, I think it's 3 for 3, 4 for 4, 5 for 5. Gold overnight is 5 for 5 and $370, and then it's in this other trade now. I obviously could have just pulled this data up, or 6 for 6, 6 trades, $370, and it's in this long. And Q is also in a long, YM is in a long, but ES is in a short, so we'll have to see who wins out there. I have scalper off to the right. Good morning, good morning. As you come in, please hit that thumbs up. I have scalper off to the right. I have line off to the right. That's the wrong one.
Order filled.
Maybe this one? I don't know.
Order filled.
No.
Order submitted.
I'm trying to find which one this, oh, maybe just one. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Hidden. All right, we have line up there. Gold is in this long. And Q is in another long. Market's opening in 2 minutes. 1 minute. 1 minute. All right, and I have scalper up. All right, I'm going to get on TikTok. I got to switch. Live. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. Let's get this day going. I'm ready for some big moves out of the open. I missed that $1,800 yesterday because I didn't switch my account on the one of the ones that I'm testing. And I think I missed out on like $2,000 or something. Hi, Jen. Invite Jen to go live together. We'll have to do that one day where you're live and I'm live, and maybe we show different things. Like one of us shows scalper and one of us shows wave or something. That would be cool. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. Jen, my co-pilot, she goes live every day from 2 to 3 p.m. The market just opened. It's 9:30. Let's get it.
Order submitted.
If you want more information, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Oh, you know what I'm thinking? Along the lines of... So we talked about this short on the student call this morning. This is something that we discussed. You know what I'm thinking? Might give it a second, but I was thinking about actually switching that to one position.
Order filled.
I'm going to change this, edit, and just have it be shorts. Gold is in a $70 trade. Gold is
Order
in
submitted.
a $70 long here on Wave. I have scalper off to the side. Also, line is in a long. And Q is in a short. That little money sign you just heard, that means that the trail moved up.
Order canceled.
It's green $160.
Order filled.
It just took,
Order submitted.
it just took target there. And now it's in another one. So we'll see how that goes. I switched it from longs only because to shorts only because I just thought about that. But we talk about in the student call from
Order
8:45
submitted.
to, this is gold, FYI. 8:45 to 9:15 every day I have a private call with just my students. And we talk about kind of the trend that we're looking at, where the market's looking to be going. ES is also in a short for $225. Let's bring ES up here. There's that dollar sign again. Hi, William.
Order
Hey,
canceled.
Crypto. What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. It's happy Tuesday. I keep thinking it's Wednesday for some reason. I don't know why. If you guys
Order
have any
filled.
questions, please put them in the chat. I'd be more than happy to answer them. So gold is in this long on Wave, $130, $140.
Order filled.
And
Order submitted.
ES is in a short for $375. You see, this will move down as
Order
that
filled.
happens. The cash
Order
register you're
submitted.
hearing is NQ on another one. But that's just taking small profits. Nope, not this one. That's this one. So you see how the trail stop, it goes and then it hits. Hi, good morning. How are you? So we go live every single day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Jen will be live today at 2 to 3 p.m. As mentioned.
Order submitted.
Gold is still in this long. ES is still in this short for $300. If you want more information, just emailing, hey Kyle, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So yesterday we were 100% on the day. We were 2 for 2 on oil on Bold Range. We were 2 for 2 on the NASDAQ. We had a great day yesterday, right around $1,000. And then today, gold overnight had a win, but then gold this morning had a loss. So we'll see what happens throughout the rest of the day on range. Also, I have Santa off to the side, but it hasn't taken any trades yet. So when Santa takes a trade, I'll let you know.
Order canceled.
Thanks for the heart, Bess. It's so nice. Please tap that screen. There's only 600 likes. That's what I need. I need the taps.
Order filled.
I need all the taps.
Order submitted.
All right, so ES is still in
Order
this short.
submitted.
Gold is still in that long. I'm trying to keep up with all of these trades that are happening. This I crazily put on my live account. I'm going to change it so you guys can see it. It's guaranteed green, but I'd love for the trade to drop even more.
Order filled.
See, this is what has been happening where it will drop and then it comes back up and hits the offset. It's made $400 since I switched it to shorts only, so that's a nice sign. Yeah, sure thing,
Order
Crypto.
submitted.
Let's get a big drop. There we go. Let's just keep going. Just keep dropping. See how it'll drop to 125 and then it comes up. So, but it's green 400 now.
Order canceled.
Since I turned it on shorts only. So you can choose that. In any of my algorithms, you have the option to do shorts only or longs only. That is part of the settings.
Order filled.
But we typically don't play with those unless you're one of my students and you are very strong-willed on one way or the other. We typically don't do that. But I did it today. Yeah, no, so we don't send out trades. This is a fully automated algorithm. This does everything for you. It gets you in the trade, it gets you out of the trade, it moves the trail stop, like this is the stop loss. It will move itself down once this goes into a certain amount of profit. Jen, I might set you up with this so you can show it on the afternoon live stream. So watch when this gets to $100. That's what I have it set at, $100.
Target. Order canceled.
Do you see how it moved down? So now it's at break even, and as the trade goes lower, it will move. It does everything for you. It's 100% automated.
Target filled.
And if you have more questions, you can email me. So this is now green $570 since I switched it 4 minutes ago. Because I had it on longs and shorts. Now it's only on shorts. Ooh, $260 on this drop.
Order
This is what I was looking for. So $600 now on this for the last 4 minutes.
Order submitted.
And the stop loss is not very big. It's only $250, so it's manageable. It's nothing like super crazy. I think I can make it a little bigger, but we'll see. It is 9:36. Line on tick is having a hard time. ES is still in that short also. All right, so see, I just had to stop there. ES is still in this short for $300.
Order submitted.
It's not showing my P&L because I don't have it on my account. Yeah. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat as you guys have been. It's super helpful. Hey, Roland. Roland, tap that screen. I need lots of taps. There's no tapping happening. When I was sitting at the car wash yesterday, Jen, I was just like tap, 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 tap. Till the whole, you see that little thing at the top with a heart? Then it will just fill up and then explode with love. Just one contract. One contract is $1,000. Ooh, look at this drop. Did we go to 520? Yo, we went to 500. This was in the student call. This short was mentioned in the entire student call this morning. Who got the short? Literally, that's all we talked about in the call. 14,500. First was 520. So one contract costs $1,000 on the NASDAQ. The margin prices are on the website of NinjaTrader. ES is still in this short. ES only costs $500, so this trade is green $300, and it only cost me $500 to take the trade. The margins are really great on NinjaTrader, and just on futures in general. So I'm trading futures. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. It's being fully automated. Fully. It's being traded for me. I don't know what I'm looking to say. It's a fully automated trading system. Okay? All right? Okay. Does that work? I'm going to pin that, Jen. Jen, I really need to get those. Like, Irma sent me a bunch of those all in one, so I couldn't copy and paste it yesterday on the live stream from Slack. I need them as separate messages, so I could just copy and paste while you're live, all separate messages. So I'm going to have to, like, write those out today or whatever. Let's give some love. Look at our folks in results already posting. Look at Brian. He probably caught that short that I mentioned. Look at Michael. 8:54 a.m. He's making all this money. Oh, my cash register went off. Let's get a big drop. I want to drop below 500.
Order submitted.
I want to drop below 500.
Order submitted.
But 500 was the target. So if you are one of my students and then you're part of that call,
order filled.
You could then get in, essentially like get in the way of the algorithm if you wanted to, because you know more than the algorithm does, if that makes sense. Do you know what I mean? Like if I told you that my target for the day is 500 and then it's getting to 500, you should probably be taking profit there and not be like seeing if it goes lower, essentially, because we've already discussed this in the call. Ooh, do you see that like wick up and it didn't hit yet? Oh, come back down.
Order filled.
Thanks for the likes, Roland. If you guys have any other questions, just put them in chat. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So this that you're seeing on the screen is the NASDAQ on Wave. It's green, $400, and then it's in this red trade right now since 9:34, 9:33, something like that, 9:32.
Order filled.
Yeah, the coupon code for Apex is SAVE80, SAVE80. So we are holding strong on this level.
Order submitted.
At 28. We'll see if it can get back below it. Gold had a loss on that long that it was in. NQ's in a short here. We'll
Order
see.
submitted.
It's holding well at that 80. ES is still in this short, green, $212. And has Santa taken any trades yet? Oh, Santa took a long and hit target. Or, I'm sorry, hit the offset for $75. I'll show you guys. So Santa's off to the right. This is Santa. This is the scalper algorithm. It got long here, and then it pulled back and hit the offset here. AS is almost back to entry, which is crazy. But this is how having the digital mentorship can really just give you a next level experience. Because just like I said, if you're in a short and you're like, oh, well, Lauren said, you know, the ultimate target was 500 and it came to 502, you could, number one, exit your short there. You could take a long there. That's all of the things that I teach my students. There's just so many ways you can make money. ES is curling back down, green 162 on that short. And Q is in that short, gold is in a long. Those are all on wave. Yes, exactly. The Apex website has very helpful videos. Very helpful. It's true. People always just want me to just like spoon feed them, but the Apex website is where it's at. Do you think this is going to break below 500 this time?
Order filled.
Hit the
Order
tray.
submitted.
Yes. Let's see. But yeah, they have really helpful videos. And just like when you sign up, I think you are also emailed the videos. I can't remember, but Santa's not in anything right now. And Q's in the short on wave. ES is still in that short, green, $225. Gold is still in that long for $40. Yeah, we can look at the, not necessarily choppy. We had a huge drop and now we're just holding on support. This is a really strong level, this 28. So that's where the contention is.
Order submitted.
It keeps coming back to wanting to hold over 28. We'll have to see. Where's ES? ES is still kind of doing the same thing. Oh, green 150, still on the short. 162.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Order filled. Oh my gosh, you guys, this whole time I missed NQ early.
Order
Nobody
submitted.
even told me. All right, so NQ early hit targets. Jeez, like the things that are actually making money. Whoa, look at pink. This is on the scalper. Pink is on a huge move here. $1,300 guaranteed.
Order submitted.
Sounds good, Matt. Sounds good. ES is still net short. Yeah, so I missed this. So now, because even with the loss, I'm red $60 on the day.
Order submitted.
With the loss on gold. Also, Santa's at a long. Let's watch this.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right. Once this goes green 200, it'll be guaranteed to green. Thanks for the likes, J Down. So guaranteed green on this long now.
Order filled.
$325 moving up. Very nice.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Still in this long on NQ. Sorry, I'm trying to put out a fire in the group of one person who's freaking out.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Now we're in a short on Santa. So Santa, this is the third trade. It took one trade for the offset, $75. Then it just took the second trade right around like $80, $90. And now we're in this short guaranteed green.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Does NinjaTrader have funded accounts, or am I setting up with Leela? No, NinjaTrader does not. Again, we talked about this all day yesterday, Joe. It's Apex. Apex or Lilu, whoever you want to go with. NinjaTrader is just the trading platform. Or NinjaTrader is the holder of the I don't know. NinjaTrader is if you have a cash account, then you're using NinjaTrader.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Santa's doing a really good job of catching these moves back and forth.
Order canceled.
Green 235 on this log.
Order filled.
So no, you can't use a Mac computer.
Order submitted.
You have to have VPS. The VPS can go on a Mac, but you cannot use NinjaTrader on the Mac.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
The short did exactly what I said it would. Like, it's insane. It's insane how good that can be. Yeah, you have to use VPS. I told my students it would pull back to this area, 85, and it would drop to 14,520, which is here, and then 14,500, which is here, and it went to 502.
Order submitted.
Insane. Insane. Like in a matter of minutes. Every one of my students that is actively around today should have had that short. And I really hope they did.
Order filled.
ES is still in that short, by the way, for $150. Yeah, William, stop dragging your feet. How does it know how much money to trade for your cash account? That is all based on how many contracts you're taking, crypto. It has nothing to do with the amount of cash in your account. It has everything to do with, in the settings, do you say, I want to take one contract or I want to take two contracts? That's where that happens. The algorithm has no idea how much is in your account. It has no idea if you can take the trade that you've told it to take or not. Like if you've told it to take 10 contracts and you only have $2,000 in your account,
Order
then
submitted.
that trade is going to reject itself because it can't take 10 contracts with only $2,000 in your account.
Order filled.
But it won't know that until it tries. So that's why you don't do that. The point is, most people just trade 1 or 2 contracts maximum. Yeah, it's $500 for ES. It's $1,000 for NQ. It's $2,000 for gold and $2,000 for oil. All of the other indexes are 500. So like YM is 500. But that's all on the NinjaTrader website under the margin page. It will tell you exactly how much each product costs. But again, even if it's $500, you can't take 4 contracts with a $2,000 account. So if you're like, oh, well, I have $2,000 in my account, I'm going to take 4 ES contracts. No, you're absolutely not going to do that because it has to do with your risk as well. So how much are you risking on the trade? Because if your trade and you can't go under the margin amount. So like if the margin for ES is $500 and you have $500 in your account, or say $1,000, whatever, and you try to take 2 contracts, that's $1,000 you need of margin. As soon as your account gets close to 1,000 or under 1,000, NinjaTrader will physically remove you from the trades because you are under margin. Like you have to have that amount in your account at all times. So if your trade starts going red and you're still in the trade, it doesn't matter. NinjaTrader will remove you. Mike is up $900, all hands free. So, you know, it's all about, and when you come into the group, we talk about all this. It's all about risk management. You have to know how much you're risking on the trade. You have to know how much each contract costs you. But that usually doesn't matter because I have folks be so conservative in that sense. Like, I tell people they can't even run a mini unless they have a $10,000 cash account. So it doesn't matter that ES only costs you $500 or NQ only costs $1,000. You can't run these unless you have $10,000 in your account. If you have less than $10,000, then you run micros, which is 1/10 of the size. So instead of it costing $500, it will cost you $50. Instead of NQ costing you $1,000, the micro NQ will be $100.
Order canceled.
I wonder which one I have. I have this one. 8.0.2. Oops. Hold on. Let me get this. Sorry.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Somebody let you in? Yeah. Well, I started to push the button, and I guess the girl that sits in the front saw us. Oh, nice. And I was like, she's not coming over here. It's fine. Thanks. All right, I'm back. Sorry. All right, it's 10 o'clock. Where are we at?
Order
Santa.
filled.
Oh, I was looking at what version of NinjaTrader I have. Santa had a few losses here. It's still green, $295 on the day. Yep, the coupon code for Apex is save80. Thanks, Jen. Sorry, there's been like conversations in the group that I've had to respond to. I want to make sure my members know that, you know, they're my first priority, obviously. But good morning to everyone that's on the stream. Thanks for joining.
Order canceled.
All right, I'm going to post that in announcements. Please check the version of NinjaTrader that you are using by doing the following. Help about if you are running version 8.1, please revert back to 8.0 as NinjaTrader has said 8.1 is very buggy and having issues. Okay, cool. I wanted to make sure I posted that before.
Order submitted.
Where are we at? There's a lot going on today. All right. So overnight, gold was green, 300. This morning, gold was red, 600. Then the NASDAQ was green, 250. Didn't I see oil? Oh, oil's flat on the day. So we had the move down that we expected, and now we're just kind of hanging out, consolidating in this area. Probably got to move back up, honestly. Or just hang out here for the day, we'll say. All right. There's really nothing happening. Nothing that exciting. Sorry, things. I'm new to her group. Her and her team are more than helpful. Thank you, Charlie. Yeah, we try. You know, it's a lot of people. We're managing 215 people or whatever, but we work around the clock every single day of the week, the weekends, whatever. And we try to do the best way to go to the 6th every week. We always do everything that we upgrade. What am I on? 8.0.0 or something? 8.0.28.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Nice job, Matt. Thanks. After the 6 days left on the Apex discount, what is the normal charges? Yeah, so they do a sale quite often, but it says it on the website. It's $167 per month, but that's only when you're in evaluation. So if you're not in evaluation and you've gone to the funded program, then you don't pay anything monthly.
Filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
I hope that answers your question. Sorry, I'm kind of like MIA on the stream today, guys. There's a lot going on in the group, and I'm trying to help Trying to help people figure things out. Line isn't along here.
Order canceled.
I wonder why it's not showing the, Oh, you know why? Because it's this one.
Order filled.
Nice job, Mike and Mitch.
Order filled.
I am hungry.
Order filled.
Where are we at? Gold isn't along. Let me change this so you guys can see it. Put it on the wave one because I had it on my personal account, which I do not have gold on.
Order submitted.
All right, cool. Hi, good morning. Sorry I'm kind of quiet today and kind of distracted. I apologize. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have no idea how to read this.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Gold is still in this long. I'm probably going to wrap it up early today. It's already 10:10, so I had a good stream. I've just been a little distracted with the stuff in the group that I've had to help with.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
All right. Guaranteed green on this gold long. Oh my gosh. We're in a $600 Santa trade. Jesus. I'm sorry. Look at this. $565 on this long. I mentioned it would go higher.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, so still green on this long.
Order filled. Order submit. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Oh, gold. All right, so that took profit there. Gold is still moving up. $150 on this long.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
And
Order
Q's in
submitted.
short.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Green 300 on this short. Yeah, HJ, it's like 90 or something like that. It's a lot.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Let's see. So back up to 14,550. See if we go back down to that 28 or that 500.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oops.
Order submitted. Order submitted. submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna get off of here.